Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check display health on your Nothing phone. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the GCPU application. This is a specialized tool for accessing advanced device settings and information. Inside the app, you'll notice several options. Step 2. Now, locate the display option. Tap on it to access detailed information about your phone's display health. Step 3. Now, for the most critical step. Once inside the display section, you'll see various categories that provide detailed insights into your screen's performance and quality. These include resolution. This shows the sharpness and clarity of your screen. Density. This refers to the number of pixels packed into your display. Refresh rate. This indicates how smooth your screen transitions appear, measured in hertz. HDR, high dynamic range. This highlights your screen's ability to display vivid colors and better contrast. Aspect ratio. This gives you the proportional dimensions of your screen. Take your time to review these categories to get a comprehensive understanding of your display's health. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.